Welcome to Swift 4 tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe the Swift basic syntax. This is the Swift playground. At first, when we run and code the in playground, then at first we need to import the UI kit. So import is basic need. The include the all Objective-C library into available in Swift program. Swift programming can also add the C and C++ into Swift program. So now I will show the basic syntax of Swift. At first I will show the comments. This is the this is comment section. This is multi-line comments. Bar str hello Swift 4 print str. When we run the playground, then this comment compiler will ignore, and our main statement will run in Swift. Here is the variable str hello Swift 4 and print str. Here is only show the variable value, but this comment line ignore the by compiler. Single line comments. This is double slash. This is single line comments. Now I will describe about the semicolon. Swift 4 ignore the semicolon. Suppose bar my string. Welcome to Swift 4 tutorial. So Swift 4 ignore the semicolon is statement. If ignore the statement, so we need to ignore the semicolon is statement. If we want to write code in a single line more than one variable, then or more than one statement, then we need the semicolon. Print my string. Okay, print my string. If I omit the semicolon, then it will be showing error. So if we more than one statement, if same line, then need the semicolon. Now I will describe about the identifier. Identifier. So identifier is actually variable contain the value. How how we can define the variable? Swift 4 identifier is a name use identify a variable, function or any other identified them. Identifier is started with alphabetical capital A to Z or small a to Z or underscore followed by 0 or more letter underscore and 0 to 9. Swift 4 doesn't allow special characters such as at the rate and dollar and percentage within the identifier. Swift 4 is case sensitive programming language. Suppose bar bar x equal to 10. So this is the valid identifier. Bar x y z equal to 15. This is valid identifier. Bar identifier x y z 100. This is valid identifier. Bar at the rate x is equal to 100. This is invalid identifier. bar dollar x is equal to 200. This is invalid identifier. Bar percentage my string test. This is invalid identifier. So variable starting variable at the rate dollar and percentage, it is not valid identifier. Switch food valid identifier is letter A to Z. It may be small or capitalized, and it maybe underscore start with the variable name, or we can use the number of variable, but it is A B C 1 2 3. This is test table. This is valid identifier, but if we want to start with 1 2 3, this is invalid identifier. Now I will describe about the Swift keyword. There are so many keyword. Class function. Suppose class is keyword, and function for func this keyword, let keyword, public keyword, public input keyword, operator, enum, integer, private, stack, extension, internal, protocol, subscript. There are so many keyword in Swift. Keyword used in statement like break, do, if, where, case, else, in, where, continue, default, for, choice. Now I will describe about the white space. A line containing only white space, possibly within a comments, is known as the blank line. Sweetfood compiler totally ignore it. White space is the term used Sweetfood to describe blank tab, new line character comments. White space separate one part of the statement from another part, enable the compiler to identify one element in a statement, such as the end and the text element begin. There is the following the statement. So suppose integer suppose bar is equal to 30. So this will showing error when we'll assign the variable data, and its variable and values is must be suppose is 30 plus 20. So this will be error because this operator will need the minimum one space gap, and this is must the what is the both is. So showing the error, the age when variable declare after variable need one space. When we need one space, it will be the correct syntax. print is 50. This is the current syntax. Variable and assignment operator need one space gap. Then this is the correct syntax. This is the invalid. We need one space after is operator. Now I will describe the printing in Swift. Printing in Swift. Print is the keyword. We can print varieties. Suppose a multiple item we can print to print. Suppose this is the one item. We can separate second item, third item. This is the print the three item we can print, and multiple item we can print the single item. This is the basic print option. Single item. This is the basic print option. We can line break item. Example, if we want to new line, then we can set the slash and new. This line will be break. After slash and example will be the go to the second line. This line break when we enter the slash n, then this line will be break to the second line. So in print options we can set the multi-line with the slash n for line break. This is the new line that is written. So this is the Swift for basic syntax. Thank you so much.